Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to post a link onto Padlet. So a link means a link to another website that you'd like to post. So you can post links to in any of these. For example, if you did a circuit from YouTube, you can post the link to the circuit here. If you did a link, you found a link with different footwork, you can post it here. I posted a few here links already for you to look at, but this is going to be especially prevalent if you choose to watch some game film. So I gave you some ideas of what to watch or what to type into YouTube to watch. So before you post it though, this is really important. You need to make sure that you make it a safe share post. So I provided the link for you here. So you're going to click the link, safeyoutube.net, and it's going to bring you here. And I want you to make sure you copy the YouTube link, paste it in here, and generate the link. So then it'll bring you to this portion, and all you have to do is the link's right here, but just press the copy button and it should be copied to your clipboard. So then you're going to go back to the Padlet, and again, whenever you want to add a new post, you have to press the plus button. So I'm going to title this Notre Dame versus Syracuse. So I chose to watch some 5-minute highlight video on Notre Dame versus Syracuse, the women's game from last year. So again, you're going to press this button right here, and you're going to click link. So when you want to add a link, it'll bring you to this page that says enter URL. So remember, you already copied the link from here. It's already copied. So all you have to do is paste it and press save. And then it'll take a few moments, but then you'll see the link appear right here, and everyone will have to do is just press your link and it'll bring them right to the video that you can start watching. So again, you press add and then you press the link portion. So this portion's already color coded for me, and now your teammates can also choose to watch some of this if they want. So that's how you post a link to Padlet.